Hey y'all, hey, it's Amia Renee. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna bring y'all along as I cook. I'm making lemon poppy seed pancakes. So let's go ahead and jump into it. I'm using just some regular pancake mix. This is 1 cup of the pancake mix. A half a cup of water. So here come the fun part, the poppy seeds. Just want to sprinkle them in. Just a couple drops. Instantly you can smell the lemon. Oh, it smells so good. It smells so good. This is a little extra step I just started doing recently. This is some confectioner sugar. So I just add a little bit. Not a whole lot. It's not too sweet, but if you don't want sweets in the morning, I would say skip this step. Oh my gosh, this smells so good. And we are done with the batter. So this part makes a big difference. You don't want the fire to be too high because it will burn the pancakes. So you go in with your batter now. I will call myself a pancake expert, so I know what I'm doing when it comes to pancakes. When it comes to making a perfect pancake, you have to be patient, because if you put the fire on too high, you're gonna burn the pancake. If you want the corners of your pancake to be nice and brown, I like to move it around, get butter on all the corners of the pancake. And that's the trick that I've learned to have a perfectly brown crusted pancake. Look at that, what I tell you. And this one is done. After every pancake, I remove the pot from the stove or the pan and wipe out the grease, because this grease has been sitting in here and it's burning. So if I put another pancake on top, it's going to be burned. Boom, breakfast is done. Usually when I eat pancakes, that's all I eat because they are so filling. I don't need any meat or eggs, but time to eat. See my grease first. For dinner, we're going to make a Roman noodle bowl. The veggies I'll be using are mushrooms, some ginger, fresh ginger, scallions, and a carrot. I haven't had noodles in so long, but I do remember noodles by itself do not fill me up, so I'm going to go ahead and fry a couple shrimps to put inside my noodle bowl. So I sauteed the shrimp on medium heat for about 2 to 3 minutes on each side until it turns a pink color. This is the color I'm talking about. They are done. Fresh ginger I keep in the freezer, and then when I want to use it, I just take it out, peel the skin off, and grate or cut however much I want to use for that day and put it back in the freezer. I thought I had vegetable stock, but it's fine. Use whatever stock you want to use. I really don't even like soy sauce, but I wanted to put a little bit in. I used too much for my liking, so I went in with like a half a cup of water to help dilute. Soy sauce is too salty for my taste. And going in with salt didn't help it either, probably. After letting the noodles cook for 4 minutes, ta-da! We are done. Now I'm just going in with the broth. And I'm going to add some shrimp and a boiled egg on top with my scallions. Baby, let me tell you, this bowl was so good. It was nice and filling, flavorful. Oh, it was amazing. On to dessert, we're gonna make some non-dairy ice cream. For my frozen coconut milk, the night before, I put a can of frozen coconut milk inside a Tupperware bowl because I didn't have any more ice trays, and I froze it overnight. My first time making this frozen ice cream. I initially thought it was going to taste like a smoothie bowl, so that's why I added fruit to it. But after trying it, I'd rather not add fruit to it because it tastes more like ice cream. So the second time I ate it, I just added some chocolate chips to it. I don't think I will ever go back to eating plain vanilla ice cream from the market. It tastes so good. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. As always, thank you for watching. Bye.